Awesome, let's get the show going, guys. I'm super excited at the moment. I keep on coming across these incredibly well sort of structured companies that have massive potential. Here's another one I've come across. I've been doing quite a lot of homework on hosting nodes, how to make passive income, and this is another way of making a damn good living, guys. I've spoken about Strong Block node. That's by far the number one in terms of making a passive income, and it's also good value for money in the long term. I spoke about Presearch, and today I'm going to speak about StoreX, another fantastic way to make some money. I'm not going to do the math for you today, but I'm going to go through the website, give you an idea of who they are and how you can make some passive income from it, guys. It's all about, in today's day and age, it's all about making a passive income. In cryptocurrency, you never know what's going to happen on the day. You have to plan ahead, and this is what I'm doing. I'm planning ahead. I'm giving you guys some strong projects, and you guys can decide from there if it's something you're willing to invest in or it's something you're willing to put your time in. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you. Okay, before we jump into the website and give you an idea of who they are, just remember, this is not financial advice. You need to do your own research, your own due diligence before investing your own money. Okay, cool. So on this platform, you can host a node as well. Okay, we're gonna go through that, but let's just get an idea of who they are first. Okay, let's go through the website. Let me see if I can find a little bit more information on them. So truly decentralized cloud storage, we'll go through that shortly. Experience decentralized, how StoreX works. This is what I wanted. Okay, so StoreX is a peer-to-peer decentralized storage network. So if you guys want to open a node, it's very possible you can host it on a cloud service for a monthly subscription fee. Okay, users upload files to StoreX network, files get encrypted, encrypted files splits into pieces, store files across multiple storage farms, services worldwide. Pretty basic, ABC. In terms of statistics, check it out. Look at that, total users 51,554. It's growing exponentially. Okay, so as I mentioned, before I go on, as I mentioned in my previous video, just remember, we're not sure what's going to happen next, okay? And I always say this, and I'm going to say it again. Historically, the next 3 months, October, November, December, are huge months for cryptocurrency. But I'm getting word from various sources that we're in for a bear market. I just don't know. So this is why you need to look for ways to make a passive income. And here's another way. Storage providers 1,795, and SRX staked, there's the number 4.121 million. So looking really good. See how it works. If you guys want to see how it works, we can have a look at this quick video. Why not just bear with me? Let me just open it and see what we can find here. Have a look at this video. Okay, and then we'll take it from there after.
The cloud data storage industry is projected to exceed $80 billion in the next 4 years as a result of the rise of apps, mobile devices, and growth across blockchain, IoT, AI, and e-commerce. The storage market is split between mainstream providers like Amazon, Microsoft, Dropbox, and Google, and the new, more technically secure blockchain-backed decentralized storage networks like StoreX. Though centralized storage is super convenient to use, being located at a central location gives enormous powers to your host, like snooping your data, restrict your data by censorship, disclose your data to third parties. Data could even be lost due to cyber attacks or hardware or network failure. Decentralized storage, on the other hand, is the collection of autonomous storage resources, governed by common storage management systems that provides rules about how data is to be stored. Since your data is never stored as a complete file in a single location, your data could never be snooped in or censored, disclosed to third parties, or even hacked. How does StoreX work? User can upload the file to the StoreX network using his unique login and password. In the background, the network generates a unique private key, encrypts file, and splits the files into multiple fragments, and distributes the files across independent nodes spread worldwide. To ensure redundancy, multiple copies of these fragments are created, which ensures that if in case a node is unavailable, the data fragments could be retrieved from alternative nodes easily. Whenever users want to retrieve the files, he simply uses his login and password, which activates the private keys in background and reassembles the files and enables access. Native StoreX tokens are used as the medium of payment in the network. Storage nodes are operated by individuals who have excess storage capacity and are rewarded native token StoreX. In return for storage leased out to the network, storage nodes have to keep providing proof of storage to the platform at regular intervals. StoreX platform distributed up to 80% of revenues collected from fees to storage nodes operators. StoreX also offers handsome rewards for staking StoreX tokens. So come be a part of Storx network. Register at storx.tech.
So, what do you guys think? I think it's a great opportunity. Moving along, it's open source, so everything we do is 100% open source. We do not open core proprietary extensions. We use and support open standard as much as possible. We don't lock people into proprietary formats. You can import and export everything. In terms of starting a node, we will have a look at that towards the end of this video, but you need a minimum of 1,000 StoreX to open a node. And as I said, you'll pay a monthly subscription fee to host and sort of a monthly subscription fee in terms of an admin fee. Community development. StoreX is able to offer new improved features due to ongoing support from its community. Our community members empower our platform and contribute. What our clients say. So this is just one of the testimonials. When I used StoreX first time, it was very easy to use. Creating an account was much easier than other platforms. StoreX is a perfect fit for those who are in risk of losing data and being manipulated. With StoreX blockchain technology, those risks are eliminated. Ecosystem partners. Have a look at the partners here. They've been in the media extensively. These are some of the partners on the far right here. Insoft, Exinfin, and media coverage have been in Hacker Noon, Chain, Entrepreneur, Tech Billion, CoinMarket, Market Caps. Yeah, interesting, guys. Let's go back to the top here. In terms of hosting a node, let's have a quick look at that. But before we look at that, let's go to the price. So currently this baby's trading at $3. It's down 23% on the day. Jeez, that is so cheap. Okay, it's definitely a good time to buy. Well, actually, I'll take that back. You must decide whether it's a good time to buy or not. As I said previously, we're not quite sure what's going to happen in the cryptocurrency space just yet. But let's have a quick look at the chart here. I'm interested to see how this token has performed. It's performed relatively well considering. Have a look here. It was trading at 36 US cents in July. Look at it. Look at this upwards trend. It's looking so positive, guys. Looking so good. It's taken a bit. It took a bit of had a bit of a downward trend here, and then went all the way up here. Looking good, and now it's on a downward trend again. But then again, as I said, Bitcoin's behaving funnily at the moment. We just have to wait and see what happens then. But this is definitely a project I would invest in. At the moment, I'm just watching the markets. I'm not buying anything. I'm not selling anything at the moment. But this is a very good project. Max supply over there, 1.5. Market cap doesn't have a market cap here. Fully diluted market cap over here, 4.558. So yeah, looking good, guys. Let's jump back to. I just wanted to have a look and see the node format, if I could find that for you. Farm node hardware requirements. Here it all is. Have a look at this in your own time. Let's quickly run through this before we end the video. Become a node farmer on the StoreX network and contribute towards a newly decentralized, secure, private, and affordable internet. Get rewarded for your efforts invested by earning SRX tokens. Okay, so with the collective efforts of our farmers, we are able to create and distribute cloud storage capacity. Read through the rest of that when you have a moment. These are the requirements down here. As I said, if your computer can't run or can't handle this kind of requirements, there are always other options at the end of the day, guys. Farm node staking requirements, and on the left hand side, same applies. So if you want an update on what's happening in the StoreX ecosystem, this is a relatively unknown project. I wouldn't call it unknown, but you know, it's still sort of gaining traction, momentum, and if you get in now, you'll definitely make some bucks. If you have some spare change lying around, think about opening a node. If not, just pick up a few, guys. If you have some extra cash lying around. As I said, the markets are looking a bit volatile at the moment, so I would hold back. But yeah, exciting project. I'm looking forward to getting involved. Just another way of making a passive income. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or any thoughts on this project, please let me know in the comment section. I'll check in with you guys later. And if you guys are obviously happy with the video, please do whatever you need to do in terms of liking, subscribing, and turn on those notifications. And yeah, I look forward to chatting to you guys again. Cheers, bye bye.